Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss how you can send out last-minute event updates to your attendees and staff via phone call and text message. To get things started, log into your DialMyCalls account and you will see your dashboard. Click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. Now select Phone Call and Text Message as the types of messages you want to send to your attendees. Click on Next to continue. Click on the Groups tab, select your event attendees and event staff, and then click on Next to proceed. From the drop-down menu, select the phone number that will be used as the caller ID for the phone call portion of this broadcast. Click Next to continue. Select the recording you want to send out as a phone call and click on Next. For the text message, select your approved vanity phone number from the drop-down menu and then select a text message template or type out a new message and click Next to continue. On the next step, you can name your broadcast so it's easy to view the reports once they have been sent out. Click Next to continue. View the details of your phone call and text message to ensure all of the information is accurate, and once confirmed, click Confirm and Send and then click Yes. You will now be shown the broadcast confirmation and your phone call and text message broadcasts have now been sent out. Go back to your dashboard and then you can check on the status of your messages. Click on Broadcasts and then Broadcast Reports to view the detailed reports of your phone call and text message. Click on Text next to the message you just sent out and you will see every single text message that was sent as well as the status for each. Ensure everyone received your message by going through the report. If someone did not receive the text, then check out the call report to ensure they received your message as a phone call. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.